What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be great. It's going to be short, sweet, and to the point. It is going to be about CPA marketing and how you guys can get started affiliate marketing for absolutely for free. It's just going to take your time to create some content and to be able to put yourself out there, spend some time on TikTok, and you guys will start driving traffic to your link. Okay. So if you guys don't know what CPA marketing is, it is affiliate marketing networks, right? They've got a whole bunch of products where you join this network and they'll pay you either for the cost per action, or, you know, if somebody enters in their email, they'll pay you for people's emails, right? So your job is to just drive traffic to products just like any other affiliate marketing site, right? So you'll have the opportunity to become affiliates for lots of different types of companies and vendors and earn money for every website visitor that you bring to these companies. An example of this is MaxBounty. Now, MaxBounty is probably one of the most popular ones. They do have a little tricky way of getting approved as an affiliate for MaxBounty. If you guys just go, I'm not going to make a detailed video on how to join MaxBounty. You guys can YouTube it. There's a ton of YouTube videos out there that show you the tips and tricks and ways that you can get approved as a MaxBounty affiliate, where they have 1,000 different products that you guys can promote on their digital and physical products. And all these companies really want, and they'll pay you, and I'll show you in a second, upwards of $20 or $40 just to get somebody's email address, right? So you may be saying, well, why would they be willing to get that email address? Why are they willing to pay that much? Well, the price for them to go out and acquire a customer, that's how much it actually is. It's actually $20 to $40 for them to actively market their products out on the open market. It costs them, so they can get a return on their ad spend, even paying you $20 per email that you send them, right? So if you got 100 emails in one day, you would make $2,000 a day with MaxBounty. Okay, so it's really, really powerful. I've done some of this, and I'll show you another ad network that I'm a part of. I haven't done any CPA marketing for a while, but I can show you guys what it looks like and how the products are set up. All right, so the reason why I'm making this video is because honestly, I had my TikTok video do really, really well, and another video do pretty well into the hundreds of thousands of views. And I'm in my comment section responding to people who, you know, leave comments all the time, because engaging with your audience is really important when you're trying to build your brand and your status and everything. And I forgot, if this is the first time you guys are watching my channel, my name is Jamar Jones. I created Future Affiliate Pro to provide you guys with actionable tools and a warm community so that you guys can go out and create time, location, and financial freedom for yourselves, right? So if you guys are getting value out of this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I come out with new videos, when I upload them. All right, so this is an account that I found that left. They basically are jumping in on viral videos into the comment section, and they're leaving their @ to their profile, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like that they're doing. And I as a marketer, I recognize exactly what they're doing, and it's a free traffic strategy that anybody else can do, right? This isn't my preferred way of affiliate marketing. However, there are 1,000 different ways of making money online, and 1,000 different ways of affiliate marketing, paid and organic traffic, and this is just one of them. Okay, so this is my TikTok profile here. I've been growing really, really fast the last couple days. I had a video that did really, really well, so I'm really grateful for the TikTok gods for pushing my content. But if I scroll down here to this video right here, it's got 117,000 views, and you can see this video right here was the one that really popped off for me and allowed me to gain a couple thousand followers in the last couple days. But it's got 438,000 views. So this video here, in the comment section here, people are very engaging on TikTok. If you guys aren't on this platform and you want to get into affiliate marketing, you've got to create an account right away, pick a niche, and just start creating content. So if you scroll down all these comments, and I look at all these comments on all of my videos, I try to spend 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day going through my previous videos to see if I missed any comments that I can respond to people on. Okay, so here, if you scroll down, you can see this user ID, and somebody just created a general profile. And what they're doing is they might have multiple profiles on their phone, and they're taking this one profile, this at iPhone 11X giveaway, and they're going into trending videos that have probably 100,000 views or more, and they're plopping this profile at. So, and here's what I did is I saw it and I knew exactly what it was. I clicked on it and it took me to a iPhone 11X giveaway profile, right? It's their profile. They've got 5,040 followers. So do you think, and they've got no videos, no content whatsoever. Do you think that they just people saw this and then they just followed them? Or what, like, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think happened? And what they actually did is, you need 1,000 followers to be able to put a clickable link. You can't see the link on desktop. To put a clickable link in your bio, you need at least 1,000 followers. So what they did was you can go anywhere on the internet. You can pay $20 and they'll give you 5,000 followers. Once TikTok sees that you have the followers on your account, they give you access to add the clickable link. You can't see it right now, but it would be just below here. You can see it says get your iPhone 11 Pro free, arrows pointing down to the link. So there's somebody out there who has multiple accounts probably, and they're going in all day long and they're just dropping this link so that they get traffic to this profile, right? Because it's all about generating traffic. Then people come here and they see that there's no content, right? So there's only one thing left to do. They either well, there's two things. They either follow this particular profile or they click the link. So how many people, you got a 50% chance somebody's going to click your link every single time, especially when it says get your iPhone 11 Pro free. So if somebody clicks on the link, this is where they come to. And all this is, and if you look in, you guys might not be able to see it, but in the URL, it says tiktokgiveaway.us/lander2b/#. This is a CPA offer, right? This is a landing page. So what happens is you spin this and it's going to land on, it says, sorry, try again. You have one more try. So they want people to be engaged with this, right? So they didn't make it the first time, but then the second time it gives them the iPhone 11 Pro. So here it says, congratulations, iPhone 11 Pro reserved for you. This is CPA marketing. This is a lander. It's a basic type of funnel that's going to take people down a few steps. And right, look, there's even some urgency here. This offer is valid for 0 minute and 0 seconds. It's going to take people, funnel them down to an email. Once that person enters in that email to be selected to get this iPhone 11, the person whose lander this is, they earn the sale, or they earn the commission for the email, right? The CPA, the cost per action. So if I click, I'm going to take you guys down. I'm going to take you guys down this funnel. All right. Just so you guys can see exactly how it works, what people are doing. This is CPA marketing and they're using TikTok. This is completely for free. All you guys need to do is go to MaxBounty or this company I'm about to show you, OG Ads. You just need to get approved as an affiliate, and then you get your affiliate link for these landers, and then you create your own TikTok profile, right? Only I suggest you actually create content around, like if you're going to do iPhone giveaway, create content around iPhone, like, tips and tricks and maybe different ways to, use your camera or your photo editing, whatever it may be. There's tons of stuff on TikTok out there. Just type in the hashtags iPhone tricks and you'll see thousands of videos that people have made, and you can just recreate those videos, start creating, content, and put your CPA link in the bottom, just like this person's doing. So we're into the funnel here, right? So it says, get the all new iPhone 11. Question 1 of 3. Now we went from spinning the wheel to the next lander is they're just engaging people. Do you love the new iPhone? It's a question and answer. So, okay, yes, I love it. Are you ready for an upgrade? Yes, I'm ready. And it's green, right? So constantly leading people to the action. So are you ready for an upgrade? Yes. Would you like a complimentary iPhone 11? Oh, absolutely I would. So they're calculating my eligibility. Look at that. I qualify for an Apple iPhone 11. Sweet. All right, all I got to do is enter my email address. Well, somebody enters in their email address, and guess what? You earned a commission just for that action. Do you guys see how easy this is? You don't need a website. You should create content, or you can do like this person was doing and you can spam, right? This person was in my comment section. I have 117,000 views. They know it's a semi-trending video. I mean, it's not into the millions, but it's a semi-trending video, and they know that they can probably get by sneaking these at, see this right here, sneaking this little at iPhone 11 giveaway. Other people who are watching my video and jumping in and reading, this is how people engage. They read the comment section. They want to see what people are saying about the video. They come across this iPhone 11 giveaway. It catches their eye because it's a link, right? It's red. They click on it. They go down the funnel. They end up here. They enter in their email, and the person whose lander this is earns a commission, like I said. All right. So I don't want to overcomplicate this. This is literally free traffic. It's a free, you don't need landers. You can get a TikTok account with 5,000 followers. You can buy the followers, load it up, get the free link, and just start plucking and just doing this, just putting it everywhere. And you guys can start earning the cost per action. It may be $2, it may be $3, it may be $5, it may be $10. It all depends on the product, right? So real quickly, this is what a CPA marketing website looks like. Their platform, OG Ads, it's just like MaxBounty. I don't have an account with MaxBounty, but it's the same thing. MaxBounty is just one of the most popular ones. I haven't been in here, but you can see all time here. When I started learning about CPA marketing, I actually did make a little bit of money. It was not very difficult, but I did not like the CPA marketing. It really pays to do paid traffic and run a lot of paid traffic. And then once you get your return on ad spend, then you can scale up and whatever. I was thinking about doing it with Snapchat ads here later in the future, but I decided on going to high ticket affiliate marketing. But anyways, but you can see here product offers. These are all the physical products, all the different things and digital products that they offer. There's literally, they've got hundreds of products in here. You can see they come with all the landers, and you can see here, like, let's choose one of these. The Drone X Pro. The payout cost per action, probably just for an email, is $45 just to capture an email for this drone. So you could set up a TikTok profile that says, win a drone, or whatever it may be, and anytime anybody enters their email in, you get paid. So there's all these different products. There's also, if we go to the dashboard, there are some other products in here. So you can request landing pages, right? Here, you can see this, all this here. These are all different. These are just like the iPhone landers, right? This iPhone lander that we got, there's companies, they provide you with the lander. You just got to drive traffic to it. And that's what all of these are right here. These are all just different landers. You can show or download these landers, and then you can set them up and just start driving traffic to it. And look, they got pages and pages and pages of this, right? And if we look hard enough, we'll find, there it is right there. Look, iPhoneXFree.net. So what I'm telling you guys is this isn't very difficult to do. You just have to go out and execute on it. And if you want to learn more about CPA marketing, let me know in the comments down below, and I can make some additional videos about CPA marketing and maybe some different types of strategies. So in the comment section, just say I want to more content on CPA marketing or something like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it for an OG ads. I also recommend MaxBounty, and you guys can learn how to do this really fast, and TikTok is an amazing place for organic traffic. So I highly recommend you guys try this strategy out, especially if you're a beginner, you just want to get started and you don't have a lot of money. This is perfect for you guys. All right, so I'm going to end this with Legendary Marketer. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it is the premier digital marketing, affiliate marketing, educational platform. I went through Legendary Marketer, changed my affiliate marketing business. My whole mindset shifted. The things that they teach you in here are amazing, and the best part is it's only $7, right? Pretty much everybody can afford that. It's like the cost of a cup of coffee, or or a lunch, a small lunch, out at a restaurant, right? You would pay $7 to $10. Well, you can get 15 days worth of content that will teach you the fundamentals, the basics of how to do affiliate marketing. So if you guys are interested in learning about affiliate marketing and joining my team, my private Facebook group, and getting all my freebies, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below. Join my group, join my Facebook page, private group, and start learning from other marketers and six-figure marketers within my own private Facebook group. Okay. So let me know in the description down below if you guys got value. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, thank you. I suggest you guys subscribe. I've got lots of great content coming up in the future. So anyhow, thanks for joining me for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.